to microwave meals in just a minute. My name's Tor Snyder, and today I'll be teaching you how to make 5-step brownies in a mug. The fuck is that? This recipe is so quick and easy, just like me in high school. Step 1, get all of your ingredients together. Your mom probably has them hidden in a cupboard, and they might be expired, but don't worry about it. You'll need a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons of oil, a 1/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a 1/4 cup of just plain white flour, a 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 microwave safe mug, a fork or a spork or a nork, and your microwave. Oh, microwave, I love you so much. Your microwave. Ooh. I don't know what I would do without you, microwave. Probably starve. Oh, microwave. Step 2, mix all of your dry ingredients. So that's the opposite of wet. That's wet. My favorite thing to do when I'm mixing things up is to make a list of people I don't like. Jimmy B, Jeff C, Crystal M, Donald Trump. You're on there twice. Step 3, add your wet ingredients. So these are things that, well, are wet. Like when you have a shower, or you water your plants, or when you go outside on a rainy day. God damn it, I added too much water again. Just be careful that you don't add too much water. By now, when you're mixing it up, it should be getting a little bit thick, and that's with 2 C's. Have a good look at that gooey goddess. Oh yeah. Maybe just taste for good measure. Step 4, time to microwave. Depending on your microwave, it may take longer or shorter. Just do a shorter amount of time, take it out, see if it's gooey and needs to go back in. Now you got 1.5 minutes. What are you gonna do? I know. Call a friend. What? You're dropping out to become an exotic dancer? Wow! Water your plants. Learn a new skill. Embroidery. Ooh. Cut your hair. Win an Oscar. Thank you. You like my brownies. You really like my brownies. Time's up. Oh. Ooh, it's fucking hot. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, yeah. Have a look at that. Perfection right there. Step 5, just let it cool down and get some ice cream out of the fridge. My house made it all in ice cream. All right, who put an empty container of ice cream back in the freezer? Who was it? Why can't you guys just replace the ice cream? What's your problem? Bert? Megan? Beck? Go to the shops and get some more ice cream. So apparently there's no ice cream left in Perth. So whip some cream. Just as good. What? All right, now it's time to eat. Oh, yeah. Wow. That is so good. Woo! That is good. And so easy, am I right? It's so easy, even a dog could do it. Thanks for watching Microwave Meals in just a minute. My name's Tor Snyder. Please follow the links below. And you too could be enjoying this brownie as much as I have been. Whose house is this? I don't know. Not mine. I couldn't afford to live in a place like this. It's so nice. Yeah, we better get out of here. Yeah. What's this even for? ECU. Microwave meals for ECU students. Huh. No, I never went to university.